So it looks like they have 1, 2 houses and a shed over there. Let's go digging. This little piece. This piece is interesting. I don't know what it is. It says made in India. I don't see a price on it. That's blank right there. It's a little darker in this room, so hopefully y'all can see. It's a little pewter picture right there. It's really cute. That's definitely old. I might get that. This looks like brass. Is that $7 or $37? I'm not sure. Oh, look at this cute little cabinet. I saw these at Target Dollar Spot the other day. They were vases. This one is definitely old. Love the shape of it. Probably gonna get that. And look at this little pot. Can y'all see the beautiful color and the chippiness on it? Love that. I don't see a price on it, but I'm gonna get it. Look at these little stools. Oh my gosh. This one's so cute, and it is in really good condition. Normally all of this is coming apart, so I'm definitely gonna get this one. I don't know about this one though. It's gonna be $10 today, and it's kind of big. I wish it was more this size. I'm definitely getting this one though. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Oh, I like this angel. That's really cute. A ton of angels. Lots of glassware. These are interesting. This looks like a bedroom. And here's another little stool. This one's $5. They use it as a plant stand. It has a little water damage right there, but for $2.50, I cannot pass this up. I would just put something on top of there anyway, so I guess that doesn't even matter. Besides that, it's in really great shape. This is another bedroom. I see a little double-sided mirror right here. That's really cute. Hat box, some old cowboy boots. I want to find a cool phone for Ren's room because we went to a cabin last weekend and they had this phone and she used it so much, but I want one that's going to look cute in her room. I think this is a little light right here. Some bedding. There's a nice little lamp end table. Oh, what is this? That's adorable, and it has a wood bottom. What? Oh, I think I can tuck that back in. That's adorable. I have to get this. I have to. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it has to come home with me. I found the Christmas room. Oh, look at these little crocheted pieces. Some more angels. Let me know if y'all see anything I should be picking up. I'm kind of picky about what Christmas stuff I get. Here's a little brass tree trivet. Some Easter stuff. And I'm not really seeing anything that I need. Here's a garage. Little wood ladder. $10. Cute little basket. I see a little dollhouse over here. Y'all, it's made of metal and it's rusty. I gotta see the other side. Oh my gosh. I have to get this. That's adorable. It'll be $5 today. I would definitely display it this way and put like some cute little kitchen stuff or something in it. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. I love that. Some 1-gallon jars, gonna be $5. I usually find these at the bins pretty often. It's a huge book. It's probably an encyclopedia. The Random House Dictionary of the English Language. It's a little hutch right here. So I'm definitely getting that, but let's go check out this shade over here. And don't worry, I think there's like 3 people here, so I don't think anybody is going to come steal my little dollhouse. Y'all always get concerned when I put stuff down that somebody's going to take it, but I don't think that's going to happen here. All right, I don't know. I mean, I like the rusty and crusty, but this might be a little too rusty and crusty. Let's check it out real quick though. Hopefully I don't get attacked by anything. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to find anything in here. Oh wait, there's some copper stuff. No, I don't really care for those. I'm not really seeing anything else. Alright, I'm gonna grab my little cute rusty dollhouse and head back to the main house and keep digging. I'm headed upstairs now. Look at this little spindle table lamp. I love this. I don't need another one of these in my house, and I definitely don't want to ship it. It's only $14 today. Ooh, this must be the office area. Oh, I see tons of stuff right off the bat. Look at this bucket. I'm sorry, y'all, it's so dark in here. It's like this beautiful, almost copper patina to it. They have lots of amazing books here. He told me to make a pal, and he'd make me a really good deal, so I might go back through the house and grab some books. Look at these stamps. There's a whole little jar of them. It'll be $2. I think I'm definitely gonna grab those. I was told that the previous owner of this house was a postmaster. Look, here's some more books. Look at these blue ones. I wish the lighting in here was better. It's an old desk. I see a few typewriters. There's one right there. There's 2 over there. Look at this computer right here. Oh, dresser. Oh, look at this thing. Is this for your back? Like, would you lay on it? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all know what this thing is. There's another pile of books over here. Oh, look at this thing. You would stand in it and then it like rub your fat around and then you'd lose weight, right? They got some old relics in here. Almost missed this piece. Love this. This is for holding mail or business cards. Has a glass bottom and like a little rusty wire top. Love this. I've seen a few of these accordion shelves throughout the house. I already have one in my pile, and I'm definitely gonna be taking this one off the wall as well. All right, let's go dig through the second house and see what we can find here. Little hutch with some glassware. Look at these candles. It's interesting. It's a crock, but I'm not crazy about that color. This picture is very interesting. It's really heavy. I like the shape. Haven't seen one like that before. Kitchen stuff. Let's see what they got in the kitchen. Ooh, some little amber glass doors. I love these. I just sold some the other day on the website. Here's a pepper shaker. Where's the salt one to go with it? I love these. Oh, there it is. Look, I'm gonna sell these 3 as a set. Love, love, love these. It is very dark in here. This is a big room. It's like a spiral staircase over there. It's a piano, has a few pottery pieces on it. I probably have to go bring it outside to see what everything looks like though. There's some bookshelves with more books. I wonder if there's anything up there. I see a piece of furniture right there. There's a lot of cats and a horse. Now I am in another shed. I see an apple basket over there. Oh, I see something brass over there. Also see a ice cream bucket, a wooden one, but it looks like it's half fallen apart. There's probably some treasures in here if I dug. Little teapot, little brass teapot. I don't know how much digging I want to do in here though. Making my second pass through the house, and I just noticed this piece. I love the organic handmade look of it, and it says it's made in Italy. Love the color, like I said, I love the size and the organic look, so I think I'm gonna pick this up. So I'm just kind of looking through this table one more time. Little pie dish right here. I always like to go through the house quickly and then go back through and really look at everything else. I like this piece too. It's like glass leaves together that make a little vase. That's really cute. This piece caught my eye. It is very heavy. And you see the bottom right there? This is hand blown. I kind of like how the handle's a little bit misshapen, you know, has that handmade look as well that I love. Look at these little imperfections here. I think for $2.50, I'm gonna take a chance on this, even though it's not my style. You know, I'm not a huge fan of the green. I love the handmade look of it, and I'm hoping that I can rehome it to somebody that also really loves it. I thought this book looked kind of funny, so I pulled it out, and it is actually a safe. But that was pretty cool. This is everything that I ended up purchasing from that estate sale. I am so excited about all my little finds. Y'all definitely leave a comment below and let me know what is your favorite pieces. I got some really good books that I'm going to be bundling together, and I think at the time you're seeing this video, all of this will be up for sale on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, so y'all definitely check it out. And I only ended up paying $35 for all this stuff, and it was the 4th day of the sale, so I just made a big pile, and they were just ready to get rid of this stuff. So let me know what's your favorite. I'm kind of in love with these 3 little books right here. Oh wait, there's some other stuff in here. Let me grab it. Okay, I didn't show y'all this because it was in that really dark office, but this is an old little Tabasco tin or whatever. Look how cute. And then look at this old lock. Reese is a really popular name right now, so I thought that would be cute in a little boy's room with his name Reese. How cute is that? Alright, so that is everything that I got. Like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite piece that I purchased. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.